In this country where you live? Yeah. In this house where you live? Crazy.
Outside.
Oh.
It was a lot of snow. Not snow, ice. Couple times I almost fall. But my daddy almost fall. That was the funniest part. That was the funniest part ever because he was pretending